Okay, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get rolling here this morning. Let's look at yesterday's entire session. Let's take a look at the signals we got. Really a nice day trading yesterday, Tuesday, August 26th. Let's look at the entire trading session and where we got our signals with the reversal indicator and strategy. And so here is midnight yesterday all the way to uh, currently we're at what 64.88 right now currently on the S&P trading live right now. So what the indicator will do and also the strategy, it will print a yellow candle with an buy or sell arrow when we have a qualified reversal inside of our trend zone. So we know our trend zone likes to reverse the price on the S&P and other various markets, futures, stocks, currency, even crypto markets, the Forex, etc. So we're looking for a reversal when we get inside of this trade zone. So what we want to do when we come inside of this trade zone, this trend zone right here, if it's green, we're looking for a reversal buy. If it's red, we're looking for a reversal buy or sell. So we need to come inside of it. We cannot close outside of that level. If we do, we're not going to get a yellow possible entry candle. So if you look at yesterday, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 signals yesterday. Typically in a trading session, you'll get 4 to 6 entry candles on a larger Renko chart. This is a 1-1-35 tick Renko. If you are using the strategy with this, I did a market replay on the strategy. It's under the members download page. You can replay the strategy with the settings I used under the strategy. That was your strategy will get long right at the close of the yellow candle. If you want to use it as an indicator, you can use your speakers to alert you when this candle is formed, and it will not form unless you get a reversal inside of this trend zone. So yesterday we had a break retest inside of 815 buy, 953 buy, 211 buy, and my time of day trade, which we talk about all the time, at 3:50 to 4 o'clock, the algorithms like to pump the market up or pump the market down, and it got long at 77, and it pushed to 89 over 12 points on the S&P to the upside. So this signal pushed 62 and a half all the way to the close of around 83. So another nice push. The morning 950 was 53. First push potential to 65. We educate traders on the 1-1-35. You're typically looking for around a 10 to 12 point push on the S&P. 52. That one was around 5, but the swing never broke. You see the swing low never broke on these for a stop. The swing low never broke. Where the arrows are, swing low never broke, never broke, never broke. So now currently it's rolling at 7:37 this morning. We have another buy signal that just happened, and that's what we're working currently right now at 87. It's been as high as 88 and 3/4 so far as this morning's action. So yesterday, just to recap of yesterday, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 buy signals yesterday inside the trade zone. Now you will get confluence if you get inside of our 25 buy zone. If you get a yellow candle reversal inside of these zones, also inside the trend zone, you got confluence. We did a lot of videos on that. So that gives you confluence for that also. So that's what that's what the reverse zone reversal indicator strategy does. Like I said, if you want to look at using the indicator They'll blow it up. It'll look just like this on any market, whether you trade the Dow minis or the Dow big contract, Russell 2000, etc. Whatever market you trade crude oil, you'll get the yellow entry candle that will fire off if it's qualified inside of our trend zone. And your speakers will alert you when that happens. If you want to use the indicator, the strategy, like I said, will get long right at the close of that candle as far as the strategy goes. And you can use an automated trail, with that strategy if you wanted to do the automated, if you want to do the, with the automated strategy as far as that goes. Let me show you real quick. So it will get long. If you're looking at using a strategy, it would get long at the close of the yellow candle. Now this is 3 contracts. This is what I ran the market replay on. This is 3 contracts, but it can go up to 4 contracts, and you can use a trail. You can use this as a trail. Let's say if you go out to, this is your trail, you can tighten this up and let it trail, and it'll get you out on the trail. So if you wanted to get in the trail, now I got this trading from 8:35 in the morning. $8:35, so it won't start stalking trades until another 10 minutes. That's why I never took a long here. But let's say you wanted to lock a trail in. Let's say that you wanted to put longer targets in. Just put 1,000 on our last target here. 1,000. Put 4 contracts. If you did that, then it would use your trail to pop you out of the trade. It's the best of both worlds. In other words, you have a hard stop put in, or you have a trail. So it will pop you out where the trail is. So yesterday, if you had 1,000 ticks, 1,000 tick is your last target, it would pop you out at that last trail. And you could tighten it up. You don't have to use, if you want to tighten up the trail, I have a 28 trail here. Let's say you want to tighten it up to 20. It's just going to tighten your runner up. You can do that under the strategy. And you could tighten that up to a tighter trail as far as that goes. So now if you can see, it tightens the trail up. This was a 62 3/4 long. It ended up running almost 10 points before you got your last trail out on a trail. Okay, and then you could dictate the times you want this to trade also. When you run market replay, when I did the strategy, I show you how to do it. So you go under the members download page. We'll put this one on the members download page as a recap on the indicator and strategy. But you can put that on there, and you can use this as a guide to show you how to, in the last video we did on the strategy, I went inside the strategy and showed you how to adjust things also. Okay.